Just installed the new garage door. CHI long panel with the glass design. Close it down here for you. Notice no more door opener above. Went with the glue chip glass. We went with the battery backup 8500W side mount motor. Has a locking pin that locks right above the roller there, so no one can lift the door or pry it open. It does have a manual release if you need to open it manually without a power, but this does have a battery. And what's really nice about it is it comes with an extra light, really bright light. Here's the wall control, digital LED, let you know the charging status of your battery. We'll open the door again here for you. Just a beautiful installation for me. It's been a while. I want to say probably 8 years or maybe longer since I've installed the garage door, but nonetheless, came out awesome. Very happy with the results.